Greetings from Obi Nnukwu Chineke. Today is Wednesday, October 30th, 2024, known as Orie, a special market day in Igbo land. It's a day of settlement and upgrading the vision of creativity. Today you will upgrade your creativity and gather more ideas to better your daily income and improve your life and the lives of those around you. You are highly blessed and empowered to make the world a suitable place for all humans. Through the support of the wind, water and sand our Creator, Chukwu Okike Abiama, uses to sustain all humans. We are given the gift of life to create a legacy before our time ends, so future generations will cherish the earth through the works of their minds and hands. With a peaceful mind comes the wisdom of creativity, reducing hard labor and preserving our bodies from old age. Remember, loving your fellow human being is the tax you pay to the Creator of the wind, water and sand that sustains your life. From Obi Nnukwu Chineke, the blessings of the universe. From Orie Ikuku Achinike, the messenger of the truth afterlife. Stay blessed, stay creative, and let the wisdom of the wind, water and sand guide you.